Hello everyone, Trader Avi from Trading, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary option trading. Today I will show you a strategy based on the MACD and Stochastic Oscillator indicator defining the strong, impenetrable peak. Before please and let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for all. I am trading at PocketOption. You can find the platform and link in the description as usual. Let's get to the strategy of the current video. I choose the MACD indicator and the Stochastic Oscillator. Now I search well in this market if it is suitable for trading. If there is not a good moment for trading here, I will search for another market and come back. Here we have a strong top and bottoms in one level, and this is that the market will not break through to the top, so I believe in that I will get my trade for 2 minutes when it climbs a little higher. I will wait for this candle to go up a bit and get all my trades lower. Here we have the MACD indicator that helps us with the inversion of the candles in the MACD indicator, and we have a cross in the Stochastic Oscillator indicator that the market will go downward. Perhaps the market will go up a little to correct, but then it will go back down to ensure your deals are more. Get it for 5 minutes, that will be great. If the candle returns to correct, you have time for your trades to return to landing. Now the candle went up, but this is called a correction. Before the market falls, the market must correct and then continue to decline, but in this case 2 minutes are very dangerous. It should be from 3 to 5 minutes. I believe that the market will go downward because we also have a doji, but as I said that 2 minutes will be more dangerous and the trading period should be from 3 to 5 minutes. When we choose the indicators and all the indicators are identical on the market and the market started to fall, here we have to wait for the correction candles to get trades. I believe that the market will not penetrate, and now we will wait for the end of trading. I hope you like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me a lot. Now the market will continue to go to lower and I have 7 seconds left on my trades. All trades were closed successfully, so you must look for the good moment and know if the market will continue downward or upward. You must learn more before trading. Now, thank you all for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press like.